Alright, these are the meeting room elevators at the Omni Atlanta in the North Tower. Let's go down to the parking too.
Oh, there's a bridge you can take to the South Tower.
Yeah. Let me see if I can. Yeah, we'll go to the south one. Let's go to that. It's on M2, right?
What? The
Bridge?
bridge? 4.
There we go. Oh, we can go up there. I love the chrome panels on this. I'm gonna, no, I don't want to show that lady. There it goes. That's gonna be it. These are gonna be the main elevators in the North Tower at the Omni Atlanta Resort. Which one did we just get? Oh, right here. Alright. Going up. I'm holding. Yeah, I see. Whoops. You need an elevator? Going down. Yeah, I think all these floors are gonna be locked. Let's see. 14. Well, we're going up, so. Eight. I think that just. Oh, now we're going down to M1. Here on M1. Going up.
Thank you.
You need to put your key in.
Oh goodness, this is complicated.
You have to take it out?
Oh, take it out and then press it?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. All right, go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Let's go down to M1.
No.
Oh. Very nice elevators. There's your indicator. And here are your fixtures. They are Otis Series 4 fixtures. We're on M4. Alright, we'll get off here. Watch the door close. Like that lantern. And that's it. Alright, these are going to be the elevators at the Omni Atlanta South Tower in Atlanta, Georgia. Let's get a view up. Here's the elevators. It goes up into this atrium. Anyways, we're gonna go get a ride. Anyways, you got PTL fixtures here. These are Westinghouse elevators. Oh, listen to that dinner bell. Let's go get a cab view. Let's go down to M. We gotta wait first. I think these park up though, so. There's another elevator. Alright. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Yeah.
Up.
Yeah, here we go. Here's the atrium. Let's get a view out though. Let's watch it close. So I think these. Look at this very nice atrium. So nice. Okay, now it's going up. I think these elevators, they park on the upper floors, so I think we may just have to wait a little bit. Gonna go on. You're right here, right? Gonna go on. All right, just call it up. I love those dinner bells. I'm just gonna wait for it to shut. Now we're going down. I've been very lucky in these key carded off hotels. Going up?
Yep, yep.
Hey.
Thank you, sir. Before you trying to get to
15. There we go.
You got next time. You got to make sure you get your key. You got a key on you? Yeah, that's the only way the elevators will work.
Yeah. Very nice. You're on. Okay. There's another elevator. Wow.
It's the world's largest escalator right there.
Really?
Absolutely.
Whoa. Scope to 15. Here we go. Let's get a view out. See, there's a view of the elevator. You know what, let's get a view over here. Omni Club Lounge. And that's the world's largest escalator over there. This is at the CNN Center, this hotel is. Very nice. Let's go down, I think, Atrium Terrace. There's the other elevator shaft. Now we're on 12. Going down?
Yeah, going down.
Yep.
Alright, lobby. All right. Ready to go down? I'll let this elevator go first. You can go. Let's get a view up. Very nice atrium. All right, I think we'll go down.
I'm not too crazy about this atrium.
I made it up to 15.
Not so crazy about this atrium.
Why do you say that?
Because after like the Marriott Marquis and some of the other amazing atriums we've been in,
Uh-huh.
this one just
Looks basic, kind of. Let's go down to the lobby. These are Westinghouse elevators.
this is cool that you've got the
Oh, I didn't realize that. Maybe if I can take another ride, that would be awesome. I did not realize they had a grand view on these. Well, oh well, I think that's gonna be it, so. Anyways, there it goes. Take a look, I think. Okay, I don't see the annunciator, so. Anyways, that will now be it.